Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry ownership cost in the USA. Full breakdown, 2026. Thinking about buying a Toyota Camry in the US? The price might look affordable, but the real cost could surprise you. The Toyota Camry is one of the most reliable and best-selling sedans in the United States. It's popular among families, commuters, and even Uber drivers. But what does it really cost to own one? Purchase price. In 2026, a new Toyota Camry costs around $26,000 to $32,000. Used models range from $15,000 to $22,000 depending on mileage and condition. Insurance cost. High RPM part. Insurance is required in the US. For a Toyota Camry, a $140 to $210 per month. For Uber drivers, insurance can be even higher. Fuel cost. Camry gives around 28 to 39 miles per gallon. Hybrid even better. Monthly fuel cost. Around $120 to $160. Maintenance and repairs. Toyota Camry is known for durability. Around $400 to $700 per year. Still cheaper than many midsize cars. Total monthly cost. Asterisk insurance, $170. Asterisk fuel, $140. Asterisk maintenance, $60. Asterisk MISC, tax, registration $60. A total, around $430 to $550 per month. Special Uber or ride share use. Camry is one of the best cars for Uber because a comfortable ride, a good fuel economy, a long-lasting engine. But remember, more driving equals more maintenance cost. Pros and cons. Pros. Extremely reliable. Comfortable for long drives. Or good resale value. A hybrid option available. Or cons. A slightly higher cost than Corolla Civic. Or not sporty. Insurance can be higher for commercial use. So, is the Toyota Camry worth it in 2026? Comment below and subscribe for more real car cost videos.